Hello everyone. It's been more than 2 years I've been facing this hair fall issue, and in the initial days my hair was completely thin. I just completely lost the strength. So I just started the home remedies using some home remedy oils and all, but there is no result as such. From last 6 months I've been I just got that idea to get it done, my hair transplant, but I have been exploring more internet, all the social media platforms like an Instagram, YouTube and all. I mean, I've been keep on reading all the articles regarding the pros and cons of hair transplant at my age level. And it's like more than 1 month, I just landed in the New Roots clinic where I have been going through the YouTube videos, reviews, and even I just got some advice from my friends who have been in the same on my age, who have been suffering with the hair transplant. And from just 1 month back, I have just visited to the New Root clinics, which is based in Hyderabad. So right from day one to till today, I have been. It was completely under the guidance of Dr. Mr. Priya ma'am, and also I have got the huge support from the management. So I mean, I have an n number of queries, so everything gets sorted out here. And recently today I had my hair transplant here. So I was very nervous before. So every 5 minutes the team is there along with me. They have been guided, just stay calm and all, and have been successfully completed my hair transplant, and I have been looking for the good result. So whoever planning to have a hair transplant, so just check into the New Roots clinic and get your hair done. All the best.